Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears grow. To begin, understand that gummy bears are designed to absorb liquids. This simple experiment showcases a fascinating scientific principle called osmosis. You'll need just a few common household items to get started, making it a perfect activity for all ages. Prepare to observe some interesting changes over the next several hours. For the easiest method, simply place a few gummy bears into a small, shallow dish. Next, pour enough tap water over them to ensure they are fully submerged. Leave the dish undisturbed at room temperature. Check on your gummy bears periodically, especially after a few hours, and then again after 24 hours to see their maximum growth. Once you've seen the water results, try experimenting with other liquids. Prepare separate dishes with salt water, vinegar, or even sugar water. Submerge new gummy bears in each, just as you did with plain water. Compare the sizes and textures after 24 hours. You will notice some interesting and varied effects. The magic behind growing gummy bears is osmosis. Gummy bears are made of gelatin and sugar, forming a semi-permeable membrane. When placed in water, the water molecules move from an area of higher concentration outside the gummy bear to a lower concentration inside, causing the bear to swell. This process continues until equilibrium is reached.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.